Hi, good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening. Thank you for joining today's webinar. My name is Vibhuti. I work as a senior solution architect at CloudFront, specialize in Azure data and AI solution. Over the last 17 years, I have been working in full stack development and with 5 years in integration and AI. I am passionate about helping the business leverage technology to solve the real challenge. Today, I am very excited to share the insights on AI Foundry and Mosaic AI. I will walk through you some use cases, compare some features, which will help you to take the decision which you can choose. Before we dive in, I would encourage you to post your question in chat. I will take them toward end of the session. This is our today's agenda. I will move to next. So CloudFront is a global AI first Microsoft partner. We are 100% focused on the data and AI, and we are solved more than 100 implementations, and we have around 12 plus years. We work across US, Europe, Asia, and Australia, and we have worked across with all the sectors. We are a recognized Microsoft and the Databricks partner. So today, like we will compare Azure AI Foundry and the Mosaic AI. It will help us to take the decision which platform will fit our need, and based on our use case, control, technical capability, and the scalability. So let's start with rising the adoption. So Azure AI Foundry and the Mosaic AI. So Azure AI Foundry is the developer centric. When I say the developer centric means it's a platform or environment designed for developer to build, customize, and extend application. Mosaic AI is end-to-end AI as a service that provide us the pre-built agent which help us do the rapid development and simplify deploy the integrations. So we will see the AI landscape like Gen AI. This word we are hearing a lot. What exactly it is? So Gen AI is focusing on creating a new content. This can include text, images, code, and even video. Unlike the traditional AI, which mostly do the analysis based on the predicted data. Whereas Gen AI understand your data and generate the new content, whether it's a blog, images, or videos. So it understand our language and it create the new content. It been widely adopted across industry for automation, for creativity, and for the decision support. It is helping organization to generate insights, design the content, or even write a code more efficiently. So let's see what are the types of platform we will get when we want to develop the agent. So mostly we'll see three types of platform: the low code, no code, the developer centric, and AI as a service. So low code, no code means we do not need to write any code. So basically the target audience is the business user, where business user can go do drag and drop and build the agent. In developer centric, we need to deploy the developer and the data engineer who will write the prompt engineering and design the flow of the AI. Whereas AI as a service which provide you the end-to-end platform where it give you the ready-made or the pre-built agent which you can use and start your development. So choosing a correct platform is totally based on the four factors: right? The use case, the control, the scalability, and the integration. Use case determine whether you need simple automation or require complex custom AI. Control and customization consider whether you need a business friendly platform with low code, no code, or you want to deploy the developer to write the custom logics. Scalability. It helps to support how much scalable application you want to build and what kind of data governance you want on your AI agent. Integration. Ensure that whenever you are whenever you want to pick any of the platform, first you need to check whether your data is compatible with that platform or not. So your data integration with that platform is very important. Otherwise, if you pick any of the AI agent, any agent tool, but that is not compatible with your agent, then you have to migrate all the data into the respective format, and then you have to work. So this is a very important factor. So before we build agent, it is important for us to clean the data. So AI is only as good as the data it learned from. If the data is inaccurate, incomplete, or inconsistent, the prediction, the insight generated by AI will be unreliable. So we have to understand this six scale. It will help us to understand what exactly it is. The first is the accuracy. Clean data ensure AI model produce reliable result and prediction. If the data is messy, the model will pick the noise and instead of the real pattern. Better model training. When the data is structured and standardized, AI learn it fast and deliver more insights. The third is the efficient and cost saving. How it is. So clean data reduce the retrain model. Like if the data is not clean and if you are getting incorrect response, every time you need to go and train the model. Clean the data, train the model. So here we are, if the data is clean, we will save both time as well as cost. Trust and adoption. People and organization trust AI if output are consistent. Poor data or the error data slow down the confidence, and also it will slow down the adoption, and organization and people will lose trust from the AI. Scalability. When the data is clean, it is a scalable solution because as your business grow, your data will also grow, and in future because of the unwanted data, your system performance will went down. But clean data will scale your application. And compliance, and the last one is the compliance and the governance. So with increasing regulatory like GDPR or the HIPAA, maintaining clean and well governed data reduce risk and ensure the ethical AI usage. So to put it simply, clean data is the foundation of successful AI agent. Without it, even the most advanced AI model will fail. So this is the reason the clean data is very important to build agent. Before we see some features comparison, it is necessary to know what is Azure AI Foundry and what is the Mosaic AI. So AI Foundry is a Microsoft system where we can go and create, run, and manage the AI solution. It built on with the strong security compliance, and it tightly work with the Microsoft ecosystem. Here you can go train your model, fine tune them, deploy them, monitor and manage them with the Microsoft security. When to choose AI Foundry? If you want strong control, compliance, and alignment with the Microsoft ecosystem, Azure AI is the best fit. Mosaic AI. So Mosaic AI is a part of Databricks Lakehouse platform. It helps us to build a agent on top of clean data. It support lots of open source tool, so it allow us to do lots of customization as well. When to choose Mosaic AI? If the focus is on data driven AI, where you can do the experiment and combining analytic with AI in one place, so Mosaic AI work well. So where we will see some comparison like platform type. So Azure AI is development centric, whereas Mosaic AI provide you the platform. AI Azure AI Foundry target the business user where they can go with less skilled resource. Also, you can go and build the agent. Whereas in Mosaic AI, you need a developer and the data engineer. Interface. Azure AI, it's a low code, no code platform where you need to write the instruction, not the code. Whereas in case of Mosaic AI, we need to write the code, we need to configure the SDK, and also we need to use the Databricks notebooks. Ask anything. You can ask anything on both, but the one difference is like in Azure AI Foundry, we need to write the prompt and also we need to set the instruction. Whereas in case of Mosaic AI, we need to just add the data to the Databricks Genie and you can ask anything in your natural language and you will get an answer. Security wise, Azure AI work with the Microsoft security, whereas in Mosaic AI, if you want to secure the data, you need to go with the Unity catalog. Agent update. Like once you have built the agent in AI Foundry and if you are making any changes in the instruction, once you click on save, immediately that changes will reflect in MS Team. Like you have not tested it, you have just write the instruction and you want to test it, but the reflection is real time. Whereas in case of Mosaic AI, whenever you will make the changes, you will test it. When you will deploy it will create the new version, and then you need to change the serving point. Unless and until you change the serving point, all the agents will not talk with the latest version. Additionally, in Mosaic AI, you will able to roll back it. Whereas in case of AI Foundry, we don't have the rollback option. So whatever instruction you have write, you will able to roll back only if you have saved it in your local system. So this is one of the things which I like in the Mosaic AI, where you will able to track each and every version. Now we'll talk about what kind of knowledge source we can add. So I have seen a limitation in the Azure AI Foundry where you can add only one knowledge source for each type. So when I say that type means vector DB is one type, SharePoint is the one type, file is the one type. So if you add one type, you will not able to add another one. And if you want to add new one, it will replace the old one. In case of Mosaic AI, we don't have any limitation. You need to just clean your data and add n number of type you want to add, n number of data source. So here we can see the Mosaic AI is having a good feature. The second is ask, and this I have already covered. Right? In you can ask anything in both Azure AI Foundry as well as Mosaic AI. But in AI Foundry, we need to go and write the additional prompts. We need to set the instruction. Then it will give you the answer. Where in case of Mosaic AI, user will talk with the agent in the natural language, and it will give you the data in textual as well as the graphical format. That's the reason we can say it's a AI insight and the BI query report. So Mosaic is more conventional and user friendly tool. Which one to choose? So like if you want to ask anything, the best is to go with the Mosaic AI because it allows the user to ask anything in the natural language. IT control and governance. Like if you already have a strong investment in Azure and you need a tight control under Microsoft ecosystem, then you can go with the AI Foundry. From the customization point of view, both are capable. You can do customization in both places. With respect to the speed of deployment, Mosaic AI is good because you are getting models where you can quickly extend that model and start development and do the deployment using the ML flow. If we talk about the ecosystem fit, if you are Azure centric, go with the AI Foundry, and if you are Databricks, Lakehouse, or Data First, go with the Mosaic AI. Now, before you start your AI journey, it is necessary to know where you are in the data and AI maturity curve. So usually we start with the foundation, that is the clean data, and that is the reason I have shared the importance of clean data. So without high quality, reliable data, everything else falls apart. So from this, once you have the clean data, from there organization move to the report, where organization can track their KPIs and compare the performance or see the analysis report. The next step is the ad hoc query. So once the reports are ready and managements are getting the KPI, they can see the trend and all. They want to ask the question to the agent, and it will get the answer. So ad hoc query gives business user the ability to ask question, pull insights on demand. So they will not depend on the user. I want this report, so please go and build the report. You can directly talk with the agent, and it will give you the report. As the data grow in the maturity, you will shift to the data exploration, where the team and the organization dig deeper into the pattern and the trend analysis. Once you build a confidence and you know that your data is clean and trustable, you will move into the predictive modeling. So here it use your historical data and machine learning to forecast what is likely to happen. Sorry. Beyond that comes the prescriptive analytics, where system does not just predict but also recommend the best action you can take from your data. So prescriptive is the next, and where how should you respond, you will get that answer. And the final and the most advanced stage is automated decision making, where AI system learn continuously from your clean data and make decision on behalf of you near real time. During it deliver the efficiency and also it keep you competitive in the market. So this is the very important, like before you want to start your insights or the AI, you need to see where you stand in the data plus AI maturity curve. So my closing remark is like both AI and AI Foundry are powerful, but they shine in the different area. If you're looking for speed, you looking for a natural language, you want to interact with AI BI, and you are data first centric, then you can go with the Mosaic AI. If you're tightly coupled with the Microsoft ecosystem and you want to drive with the Microsoft security and you need a less code, then you can go with the AI Foundry. So the key takeaways here is like no one is single winner here. The right choice depend on your ecosystem, business need, and long-term AI strategy. In some case, like combining both will give you the maximum benefit. So now that we have explored the strength of Mosaic AI and the AI Foundry, it's time to take this step like evaluate your business priority, understand where you stand in the data and AI maturity curve, understand, identify which platform fit your organization, and then if you want you can reach out to us at transform@cloudfront.com to start your AI journey, where we will help you to deep dive in the insight on the AI world. So if anyone is having any question, you can post it in the chat box, I will answer that. So I guess there's no question. So thank you all for joining today's session. We hope this comparison between Mosaic AI and Azure Foundry give you the clarity on how each platform can support your AI journey. We appreciate your time and engagement. I look forward to continuing the conversation with you. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.